Fire Dragon X here. Welcome to my channel, whoever is new. And today, we're gonna be doing something different in car parking multiplayer. That will be soon, I guess. We will just do something that people want, and it's for buying, which is obviously police. So yeah, let's get straight into the video. Okay, so the thing, we're making our own police car. See you in a bit. You can just do this on any car. It's just I did this here just because I did this on this car because I just want it there for the homies that have it. Oh yeah, wait, not showing yet. So you see, you gotta get it. The main black, specular black, and the reflection black. And after that, you have to do that for the wheel and the window. I'll tell you how. It's just same thing, except there's no reflection. It's just color and circular. So those two black. And that's the color. So for the vanillas. For the vanillas. So you're gonna wanna get that full white, covering like the sides, and you want black at the bottom here. I know it will be a little white, so that's why I covered it with black. You want to do it for the same to front and back. You want to do that for both. And then after you've done that, you just do the texts, which I did. You have to do police, uppercase, and big. Both sides, and let them release the sirens. You want to do that? Like a vanilla, you have to like get it the right width so you can like size it well. And also don't forget the blue one. Same thing, just get the right width, make it blue. And that's basically it. Oh, why am I? I'm sorry. But that's basically it. So after you're done, guys, you just simply just play. And like and subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification so you don't miss anything. So, Fire Dragon X out.